Grand awakening, Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity with magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me, check out the ebooks, the NFTs, check out the music, is great there. The word of the day is you are in God's hands. What are you doing right now, Sagittarius? You just keep rising. You guys are meeting your deadlines and you have landed into God's hands. That's because you can be trusted. You're consistent. Therefore, you're about to have your breakthrough. But now landing into God's hands, I want you to take the extra step and think of how to ask questions of how to maintain your blessings. Ask for more blessings. Ask for the things that's going to help you sustain and maintain the things that you're asking for. That's the cheat code. There's no rules once you land in God's hands. Take advantage. My trust in life is implicit. God's great knowing and greatest love guides my heart and my choices. My faith is steady and I remain true to my light. Everything folds according to God's plan and timing. You're in the right place, right time, doing the right things. Continue to do it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.